Let's now talk about the Yemen's Houthis, which have now joined the war against Israel. They've claimed to have launched a large number of ballistic missiles and drones towards Israel, which is locked in a war against Hamas in Gaza. In a televised statement, the Houthi group's military spokesperson, Yahya Saraya, said that the operation was the third targeting Israel, with more to come.
With the help of God, our armed forces have launched a large barrage of ballistic and cruise missiles as well as a significant number of drones at various targets of the Israeli enemy in the occupied territories. The Yemeni armed forces affirm that this operation is the third in support of our oppressed brothers in Palestine. It affirms the continuation of carrying out more qualitative strikes with missiles and drones until the Israeli aggression ceases.
Now, the Houthis see themselves as part of the axis of resistance, which includes Iranian-backed Shiite Muslim factions in Iraq and Lebanon's Hezbollah group. The IDF said it used the Arrow aerial defense system for the first time since the outbreak of the war to intercept a surface-to-surface missile fired from the Red Sea. Last week, Israel accused the Houthis of sending drones that caused explosions in 2 Egyptian towns on the Red Sea, saying that they were intended to strike Israel. The Pentagon said a U.S. Navy warship on the 19th of October intercepted 3 cruise missiles and several drones launched by the Houthi movement from Yemen, potentially towards Israel. The Prime Minister of the Houthi government in Yemen, Abdulaziz bin Habtoor, has said that the Houthis were part of the axis of resistance against Israel. It's now vowed to set up attacks against the Zionists. So who are the Houthis? Why have they vowed to target Israel? That's the question. The Houthis are an Islamist political and armed organization that emerged from the Sada in Yemen. It is predominantly Zaidi Shia force that rebelled against the Yemen government. In 2014, troops loyal to former President Ali Abdullah Saleh captured much of the country, including the capital Sana'a. Saudi Arabia is trying to restore peace between the Houthis and the internationally recognized government of President Rabu Mansour Hadi, but Houthi missile launches at Israel risk reigniting the war in Yemen. Saudi Arabia has reportedly intercepted a 5th missile fired by the Houthis. Meanwhile, Israel's national security advisor has condemned the Houthi attack and confirmed that no Gaza hostage deal was in sight.
לגבי הסיפור של החות'ים, הבה נאמר שהדבר הזה הוא בלתי נסבל, אבל לא נשתמש בהזדמנות של המפגש הזה להבהיר לאויבינו מה צפו להם ככל שהם ימשיכו בהתרסה הזו. מצרים היא מדינה שהיא ידידה שלנו, היא נמצאת איתנו בשלום עתיר עשורים. אנחנו מבינים שמאוד חשוב לה למנוע שתהיה נהירה של עקורים פלסטינים מן הרצועה אליה. אנחנו בשיח איתם, אני בשיח עם המקבילים שלי במצרים, לנו חשוב שגם אם זה מה שהם חוששים ממנו, שבכל זאת יינתן טיפול לפצועים.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.